Wow, as the holidays are right around the corner, I'm sure everyone's thinking about gift giving. I'm sure we're all so thankful for our friends and our family and are thinking about what gifts we'll get, what gifts we'll give. But I bet that you forgot someone on your gift list. It's someone, something that gives us so many gifts every single day. And it's nature. They give us water. They give us the food that we eat. They give us the earth that we live on, our home. Nature is always plentiful with gifts. And I don't know if I've ever given nature a gift back. And so today we're gonna learn how to give nature a little gift back. We're gonna make bird seed feeders out of pine cones. Now, birds do a lot of work for us. They make sure there's not too many bugs out, and they function as pollinators. Pollinators make sure that all the flowers that we love have food so that they can give us food. This is so important, and this is a little way that we can give a little gift back to nature this holiday season. It also is a beautiful little way to show an ornament on your house or apartment. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna start foraging for pine cones. This is really fun. You can do it at a park where you know there's pine trees. I luckily know that in my yard there's some pine trees, so I'm just gonna see if there's some pine cones. Looking around on the floor, I see quite a few. But I encourage you to have fun with this. Try and find some cool pine cones.
Okay, so to make our bird feeders, it's super simple. We are just gonna take our pine cone here and our butter knife, and we're gonna grab our peanut butter, scoop some out with our knife. So I'm just gonna incorporate my peanut butter onto my pine cone. And you wanna try to get it into the grooves of your pine cone here. So now that I have covered up my pine cone with peanut butter, I want to roll this in my seeds, and the seeds should stick to the peanut butter. Voila! Easy peasy. Okay, so now that I have finished my pine cone, I'm gonna get my string and I'm gonna tie this to the top of my pine cone. Just make sure it's secure, and we're gonna hang this up. You can either hang it from a tree, hang it from your porch, whatever you want.